Good morning, students. Today we are going to have our fourth video lesson of Social Studies Class 4. We will start chapter number 2 today. The topic is climate. We will cover the information given on page number 7. The time duration of the lesson is 35 minutes and the resources required are Smart Social Studies Book 4, Notebook and pencils. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to differentiate between weather and climate, discuss the ways weather or climate affect the lives of people living in a particular area, discuss the terms climatology and climatologist, and list the factors that affect climate of a place. Can you tell what causes day and night? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. What causes seasons? The movement of the earth around the sun and the tilt of the earth causes seasons. Which areas have summer season and which areas have winter season? Areas located on the side of the earth tilted towards the sun have summer. However, areas on the side of the earth that is tilted away from the sun have winters. What is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over many years. Great! You've done a great job. How are weather and climate different? We know what is weather, we know what is climate, but what is the difference? Let's watch this video.
Weather and climate are two similar words with very different meanings. As a result, many people end up using them incorrectly. Weather refers to conditions of the atmosphere over a short period of time, from minutes to days, while climate means average weather of a place over a period of many, many years. Weather is what TV presenters forecast, like sunny, cloudy, windy, storm, etc. Here are the key differences. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours, while climate takes hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years to change. In other words, climate lasts all the time, and weather only a few days or even a few minutes. Examples for weather include, they were hoping for good weather today. I got caught up in really bad weather yesterday. Examples for climate include, many parts of Africa have harsh climates. She missed the cool climate of southern Wales.
So I hope the difference between weather and climate is clear to you now. Do you know the study of climate is called climatology? Now just think of it. Who is a climatologist? Yes, absolutely right. The scientist who studies climate is called a climatologist. What impact does weather or climate of a place have on the lives of people? Let's observe a few pictures. Now you see, the children in the picture, they have covered themselves with heavy dresses, woolen caps, and the gloves. People, they are enjoying ice activities. They have hot beverages. So it means that people living in cold areas, they have different dresses. They protect themselves by wearing woolen dresses and covering themselves. Now let's see a few more pictures. In this picture, you can see children are wearing light dresses. People, they enjoy water activities. They take cold beverages. They take ice creams to beat the heat. They carry umbrellas. So now you can see and observe that the lifestyle of people entirely gets changed with the weather. Now, factors that affect the climate of a place: temperature, wind, precipitation, humidity, and air pressure. We will discuss all these factors in detail in the upcoming lesson. Now let's recall what we have studied today. What is the difference between weather and climate? How weather or climate affect the lives of people living in a particular area? What is climatology? Who is a climatologist? What are the factors that affect the climate of a place? Now check your answers. What is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the change in atmospheric condition. It can change in just few hours. However, climate is the average pattern of weather for a particular place over many years. How weather or climate affect the lives of people living in a particular area? It affects people in many ways, like the dresses people wear, the food they eat, and the activities they perform. What is climatology? The study of climate is called climatology. Who is a climatologist? The scientist who studies climate is called a climatologist. What are the factors that affect the climate of a place? Temperature, wind, precipitation, humidity, and air pressure. Now let's practice. Your task number 1 is to read page number 7 of your textbook. You have 7 minutes to complete this task. Your task number 2 is to complete question number 2 part 1 from page number 11 in the notebook. Your homework is to complete the activity on page number 11 by filling the table with appropriate weather symbol for the whole week. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and have understood the concepts discussed during the lesson. Have a good day.